Guys, I absolutely love this Hellhorse twin turbo kit. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we are upgrading the 2020 Mustang GT. If you're new to the channel, where you been? No, all joking aside, welcome to the channel. But guys, we have the 2020 Mustang GT with the Hellhorse Performance twin turbo kit. I'll let you guys look at the turbos since it's up in there. Just look at them. Would you just look at them? God, gotta love them. Anyway, guys, but if you caught the last video, if you didn't, card right here. But if you caught the last video, we broke the driver's side axle at the drag strip. Shout out to Will for hooking me up with a stock axle to get me going until I got these bad boys. We picked these up from Lethal Performance. Thank you, Lethal, for the quick shipping, but we picked these up. These are DSS 2,000 horsepower axles, and we're gonna be throwing those in. We're getting ready to go back to the drag strip tomorrow night. So the next video you guys are gonna see come Monday is this car at the drag strip doing what we wanted to do. That's
go fast. I want to go fast.
But I broke the axle in the last video. I broke the axle on the 1-2 shift. But speaking of 1-2 shifts, Rob has sent me a second gear leave tune, and I've been driving around on it, and I actually like it. I'm just not sure how it's going to do at the drag strip. So what we're going to do is I'm going to run at the drag strip. My first run is going to be on the second gear leave tune. On 9 to 10 pounds, I'm not sure if the car is going to like it with the 315 gears, but we're going to try it out anyway to see what it does. Then from there, if I see the car is slowed down, it's not running what I think it should, we will go back to the leaving on first gear again. Anyway, guys, we're gonna get started. We're gonna get these axles in. All right, guys, we got the axles in, as you've seen. Really quick job. Also, guys, one thing I'm gonna show you is I've got the exhaust tucked in a little more. One of you said that to tuck it in more, so we did. We tucked it in a little more, and I actually like where it's sitting now. And if you come up here and look down, guys, she's not poking out. She's looking good. So got the exhaust pushed in a little more. I think I'm gonna leave it right there though for right now. If you guys caught Xander 13's video, he actually did dumps up under here, which got me thinking my mufflers are sitting right here instead of back here like conventionally do. They're sitting up here. So it got me thinking I could put dumps right after my mufflers on that area like he did. That would save a little bit of weight back there, not as much as his did because he had the mufflers back there. But guys, if you haven't seen that video on Xander 13, go check it out. I actually like the way he did it. Dumps right here. Of course, he don't have mufflers, so it sounds nasty. But guys, the turbos are actually making a little more noise. Start it up and let you guys listen to it. right, guys, as you can hear, the turbos are sounding really, really good. Guys, I absolutely love this Hellhorse twin turbo kit. It's moving, guys. I cannot wait to get the upgraded 4-to-1 headers that are now standard in the kit. So guys, yes, if you order the kit now, you get 4-to-1 headers, no more of the modified stock 4-to-1 headers. So go hit up Jeff at Hellhorse Performance, get a kit ordered, and remember, for the month of September, you get free installation at his shop in Houston, Texas, if you buy a kit in the month of September. So go check them out, get a kit, and remember, enter SpeedAddict731 discount code to get a discount at Hellhorse Performance. Guys, I'm absolutely loving it. As you've seen, I did a little bit of the trans brake. It's pretty neat. I might go ahead and use it here and there. What do you guys think? Tempt it with the stock drive shaft and see what happens, or no? I've already broke something. I really don't want to break something else and have to go and
Hey, send it.
There you go. Anyway, guys, I'm loving it. I mean, just look at it. Just look at that. Look at that intercooler, that big old intercooler right there. Guys, I'm loving the car more and more. We are getting the car there. We got the axles in, we got the twin turbo kit. Slowly but surely, we are getting there. So stay tuned. We will have more track footage, and I will be getting to the 1/4 mile soon, guys. I know you guys have been asking. But guys, my local track is an 1/8 mile track. Track record is low 3 seconds at that drag strip. So it hooks, it works, and I'm gonna tell you guys, so I'm gonna talk about this for just a second. All you guys talk about 1/8 mile doesn't matter. Guys, your 60 foot is where most races are won and lost. Unless you got a really high horsepower car over the other guy, and he 60 foots you, but you got the horsepower running him down, if that happens, that's great. That's where the 1/4 mile shines. But guys, a lot of it's done in the 1/8 mile. After the 1/8 mile, you're just hanging on and going for a ride. Everything, your launch, your 60 foot, everything is in the 1/8 mile. So I've got an 1/8 mile track 10 minutes down the road from me that works great. Scott runs that track, does a great job at that track, and it works, so I use it. I'm not gonna travel an hour to 2.5 hours every weekend to race, but I will be bringing you guys 1/4 mile footage. I have in the past, and I will again. Just give me a little time. If I don't make it this weekend, have no fear. Next weekend, as long as I don't break nothing, I don't need to jinx myself. But the next weekend is NMRA at Bowling Green, so that's 1/4 mile. So you guys will see the car run. I will be running the True Street at the 1/4 mile in NMRA. So guys, stay tuned for that. You get footage from that. I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Not really eventful, but it is what it is. We worked on the car, got some stuff done. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and thanks Chris for helping me out. We'll see you next time.